Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Market is expected to open on a positive note supported by several favorable factors. Domestic retail and wholesale inflation have eased to a 6-year and 13-month low respectively, signaling a healthy economic growth. Foreign institutional investors have turned net buyers, the highest in over 8 months. Strong corporate earnings have further lifted investor sentiment. Globally, optimism is being fueled by easing trade tensions and expectations of a potential US Fed rate cut following US inflation cooling to a 4-year low. To start with our first segment for Thursday, 15th May 2025, Nifty index opened on a positive note and inched slightly higher towards 24,770 zone during the initial hour of the trade. However, follow-up buying was missing at the higher levels, which led to a gradual decline as the day progressed. Despite the weakness, some support-based buying was visible at lower levels, which helped limit the downside. On the daily chart, Nifty has formed a small-bodied candle indicating indecision and lack of strong directional momentum. India VIX was down by over 5.5% to 17.17 levels. Nifty put-call ratio slightly increased to 0.90. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,200 to 25,200 marks, while immediate range is in between 24,400 to 24,900 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 931 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 316 crores. FI's index long-short ratio increased to 38%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest now Nifty has to cross and hold above 24,750 for the next up move towards 25,200 marks, while supports can be seen at 24,444. Bank Nifty has to cross and hold above 55,000 for a bounce towards 55,555 marks, while support can be seen at 54,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in AB Capital, SAIL, Nalco, Hindustan Copper, NMTC, IRFC, HAL and LTIM. While some weakness could be seen in REC, Cipla, Jumble Fertilizer, United Spirits and Voltas. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.